How to use the Argos Pay app. Now, the Argos Pay is a credit account that you can manage through the Argos Pay app. You can go ahead to your App Store or Play Store. If it is available in your region, you can just download it directly and just proceed with creating an account and logging in. So, you can enter your mobile number, your email address, your Argos Pay account number if you already have one, and the online registration number. So, you can just put that in when you are prompted. But once registered, you can sign in to view your balance if you do have that, and your payment plans, statements, notices, and account details. Although you can go ahead to your preferred browser and just search for Argus Pay directly and see if you are eligible to get started or to register for your Argus Pay. So from here, you can see if you're eligible without affecting your credit score. You can see what you're going to need to apply, having lived in the UK for at least 1 year and be 18 years old or over, have a UK bank account, mobile and email, and not already have, of course, an Argus account or an Argus Pay account. But anyways, if you want to continue, you can also use the app to help manage your payments. You can do it on your balance, or you can include checking that what you owe and keeping track of your plans. Argus Pay can be used for eligible online purchases at Argus and Habitat with available payment options depending on your account and purchase. So it is regulated credit product for eligible UK customers, so make sure you're understanding the interest, the payment dates, and terms before you use it. But anyways, that's pretty much the general idea on how you can use the Argus Pay app. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.